right, so I'm Dr. Julie Weathers, and I'm the animal science professor here at Southeast Missouri State University. My specialty is beef cattle, especially genetics and reproduction, and I focus on the cattle here at the Barton Ag Research Center. I do research projects focusing on undergraduate research so that our students get an important learning prospect. Some of our students are going to go on to graduate school, and so it's extremely important that they get some hands-on research experiments. And some of our students are just going to go back to the family farm or start their own farm. There's still going to be people that are going to need results, and they're going to need to know how to run an experiment, how to see if something is going to work before they implement it full scale in their facility. And so we try to get as many students involved as possible. Some of the research that we do here with the cattle focuses on reproduction. We do timed artificial insemination here at the Barton ARC. And so we pick bulls off their EPDs that are going to be specialized in timed AI. So we sync all of our herd together as one, and then we artificially inseminate. We'll then bring in a cleanup bull a few weeks later, but we try to make sure that everything calves within a pretty narrow window. Right now we're at an 80% calving rate within a 30-day window, so that's really good. We like to participate in the Agent Source and the Show Me Select cattle sales here in Missouri. So Agent Source verified meat means that we will ship mainly overseas, predominantly Japan, and it means that everything on this farm has been certified that it comes from this farm. We know what the lineage is, we know what it's been fed, what it's been given medicine-wise. We are guaranteeing that that beef is some of the best beef possible to get. We also participate in the Show Me Select heifer sale, and that is a sale where we are guaranteeing artificially inseminated or certified natural bred cattle that are going to go to sale for other people's replacement herds. And so we're guaranteeing what their genetics are, we're guaranteeing when and how they should calve. One of the biggest things that we work on here is going to be calving ease. Nobody likes to have to pull calves. That pertains to us as well. And then we also work on docility, because we do have students running every single aspect of this farm. We need cattle that are going to be calm and, for lack of a better term, courteous to our students. Cattle that are not going to run over students, cattle that are not going to get somebody hurt. So those are going to be the main things that we focus on here. We do some nutrition research. We work with performance blenders and try to get some good cattle feed on these animals. We do grass and grain fed here, so they not only have grazing pastures like you can see behind me, which we rotate them through. Dr. Indy Braden is our forage research specialist, and she manages our rotational grazing. We move our cattle every 2 to 3 days, but we also do grain-fed cattle here so that we can guarantee a good body condition score and high grading cattle. Our cattle graded about 85% choice last year, so that's a really high percentage, and we're trying to improve that every year. We also do, or are hoping to do, some studies with the sweet sorghum trials. Dr. Wes Mueller does sweet sorghum, and we are going to feed the bagasse, which is the leftover after they take the alcohol out, to our cattle here as opposed to just a wheat straw, and see how that works as a filler compound in our feeds. We also work in conjunction with other departments at Southeast Missouri State University. The chemistry department is probably going to do a research trial out here this next year on ketamine and its effects in cattle. So we try to work in conjunction with everybody as they want to do different projects. We like to get our students involved and keep them motivated and going. This is a fully functional working farm, and we like our students to be in every aspect of it. So when they get a job, be it at a farm, be it at a bank, or at a company like ADM, if somebody comes in and they want to talk about any aspect of cattle or crops, we want our students to have done it, to know how it works, and to have an educated opinion about it.